Hey guys, in this video we're going to finish up this bowl. We started it in the last video. If you guys didn't see that one, I'll link it right up here. And I also have another video on cutting out bowl blanks. If you guys want to watch that one, I'll link that one up here also. Let's go ahead and get started on finishing this guy up. So the first thing that we're going to do to start finishing up this bowl is check and make sure that it's dried out. So I'm going to take my moisture meter and I'm just going to check a few different places on here. I normally check and make sure that it's under like 10-11%. For my garage is normally the wood that I'm working with after it's dried out. So we're going to check here. We're at 7.7%. We'll check this wall. 7.2. 7.2 and 7.1. So we should be all good to put this back. We're gonna start by getting our outside cleaned up. Since it's warped a little bit, we just want to make sure that we go down until we have everything straight. Or if you want to change the shape a little bit, this is the time. Then we're going to square up our ends and make sure everything comes out flat. My blade wasn't sharp the first time I did this. That's why I have so much space on there. It wasn't cutting cleanly, so I redid it. And now we're just going to make a little notch where we can cut this off when we're all done with it with a parting tool. Now we're going to move to the inside of the bowl and get that all cleaned up. We're gonna sand. Normally I cut out all the sanding for you guys because it's just boring, but I used a few cool sanding tools in this one. I had a lot more luck with the drill than I did with this piece. I'll put some links in the description to these if you guys want to check them out, but they definitely cut way down on my sanding time. Now we're going to clean everything up with some mineral spirits before we apply our finish. And for this project, I'm using Howard's Feed and Wax as the finish. You can use really whatever you want. You can use wipe-on poly, Danish oil. You have a variety of options here. And this is how it looks after a few coats. Now we're going to go back and part down to where we can saw this bowl off. And then we're just going to finish up with the flush trim saw. And here it is. Our finished bowl. I did sand down the bottom with an orbital sander once I had cut it off and applied a few layers of finish to the bottom also. If you guys like this video, don't forget to leave us a like down below or a comment, and subscribe if you want to see what we've got coming up. Thank you.